Furry here, and tonight I have a new ceiling fan for you. Okay? So, I want you to guess the age of it. I will have a video on balancing it, but that'll be sometime later. So, I want to know the age, the model, the make, and where it was from. Think you can do it? Think you're up for the challenge? Put in the comments below what you think the ceiling fan, or when you think the ceiling fan is from, what the make is, the model, and who made it. Now, as you can tell, it's pretty out of balance. I mean, I just picked it up today. But yeah, otherwise it is a nice smooth running fan. Yeah, so tell me what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comment, subscribe. And if you're up for the challenge, put in the comments below the make, the model, the age of when this fan was made. Now, I know it's a little hard to see because this camera is shitty. It's no good. But, yeah. Well, Furry, out.